This is where I've marked out the heights of the racks. And then here are just the marks on the floor for the different sizes. I'm hoping that I can put the small short one here and then the larger one here. But it's like I need like an inch more worth of space. So I need to secure my muscle racks to each other. I have this perforated hanger strap because my idea is that I'll, like on the little rack to the big rack, I'll wrap this around and then put a bolt through it to secure it. And then same like with the cage here. I'm not going to do it on this cage because this one doesn't belong to me, but maybe loop it up around up here. But that'll fit that. And I like the going with the carriage bolt because it has a wide head there. And yeah, I wish that it would fit in the hanger strap though, so working pretty well. I might not even use the straps. But if I just maybe do each corner together, that might work. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it easier on myself and well, scratch these all together. My main purpose is so that they don't tip at all, which that one, maybe it won't tip. Should be fine. I mean, it's not gonna tip, it's bolted, right? So whatever. I was gonna put like a cable around it to lock it. Oh, you know, too, actually, because these are carriage bolts, if I use this one, I'll keep this one as mine that I use, and I would rent that one out. And then they can't undo it here. I mean, they'd have to like reach inside to undo it, but yeah. So I think that will be my security right there. So that will be good. sturdy. Awesome. I'm out of nuts. So, I'll have to go to Home Depot tomorrow to get those bolts, and then I'll be able to load this up and get rid of all the stuff that's in my place. Yeah, that'll be good. I'm glad that I got the racks because it's definitely gonna maximize the storage in there since it's just kind of small anyway. But I'm just a little concerned about maybe that edge, but I think it'll be fine if everything is all connected through, you know. Awesome. Let's see, I'll show you some of these other units. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if anybody else gets some shelves. I don't really like that it's wide open like that, so that's why I want to keep most of my stuff in the containers. I'm gonna lock up and call it a day for this stuff today, and have to go to Home Depot tomorrow. Just kidding, that is not cute. So I'm all done with my shelves. So those are bolted. It's bolted through there. Top and bottom on both sides, and then the little rack is bolted to the big rack here. Over there, top and bottom. So, I mean, aside from it being this cage thing, this is sturdy. This is not tipping over. And then this is pretty secure. I mean, we just have that little bit, but so I have the first of many loads, I'm sure, a few at least. Yeah, so that almost fits, but I mean, not quite. Maybe 2 inches. But I'm not pulling that out it from the wall any more than it is. So it'll have to go lengthwise. That was the smallest box I could find. This is how I attach the dolly to my Versa cart. And it works, but I need to get my workbench on top of here too. We just have a couple more things that I need to use that will eventually go in here, but yeah, I think we did really, really good. Got some shelves to spare, and I mean, talk about maximizing space. That worked out very well. Just gonna put this right in here. I wonder, I could probably go this way. I'm not gonna mess with it. It's fine to go that way. So nice. We're calling it done.